back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. So in today's video, we're going to get straight into this install from Curlsqueen. This is their 22-inch Jerry Curl clip-ins. And I'm not gonna hold y'all too much at the beginning. Let's just get into the video. I would like to take the time to thank Curlsqueen so much for sponsoring today's video. They were nice enough to send me over their 22-inch water Jerry curly clip-ins. So I love how they package their products. I love that they also send gifts. They sent me over this rose gold detangling brush. I thought it was really cute. And they also sent me over a new bonnet. They must knew that sis needed a new bonnet. And I love that you can wear it on either side. So I thought that was pretty cool. They also send you an extra set of clips. So these are clip-ins. So if you know something were to happen to your clips, you do have an additional set that you can use to replace them. The hair comes packaged in this cute little pink duster. I thought that was cute. So once you finish wearing your clip-ins, you can store them in this bag, or if you would like to keep your box, you can do that as well. But here's the star of the show. This is the 22-inch water Jerry curly clip-ins. I absolutely love this texture. I do believe that this texture is going to do great with my hair, but I really won't know until I wash the hair and put it up against mine. So let's go ahead and go to the next clip. And so as you can tell, I'm super excited about trying this hair out. As y'all can see, I went ahead and smelled the hair. I don't know why I did that, but the hair did not have a smell. So thank you, Curlsqueens, for having hair that doesn't stink, okay? Now, I do want to show y'all that the hair is zip tied together. They have 2 zip ties on there, and I thought that that was really, really cool because it's going to help you so much when it comes down to shampooing and conditioning the hair. You don't have to worry about the hair, getting tangled. Everything stays in place. So if y'all were to purchase this hair, which I hope you do, definitely leave your zip ties on when you're washing the hair. It just makes the process that much easier. I also thought it was very important for me to show you guys me washing the hair, because y'all know when I first opened the box, the clip-ins didn't look like they were 22 inches. They looked like they were giving about 12 inches. So by me shampooing it, you can actually see the true length, the true texture of the hair. And baby, when I tell y'all, this hair felt so good, like I'm so serious. This hair was very soft, fluffy, and bouncy, and I love it. I love it. So here I went ahead and conditioned the hair, and I put it in this plastic cap, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I fell asleep. So this hair deep conditioned overnight. So let's get into me installing the hair. Alright, it's the next morning. I went ahead and hid it in the kitchen, child. Pulled the hair out, and baby, it was pretty much dry. It was about 90% dry. So I was like, okay, let me look at these curls. They look pretty good. So I went ahead and wringed the hair out. I just pretty much squeezed the water out, ran my hand down and then squeezed the water out. And I loved how bouncy the hair was feeling. But this is what the hair looks like when it's freshly washed and deep conditioned. All right, y'all, I decided to keep this in the video because I guess it's important for y'all to see. So this is my hair in its natural state. I only have leave-in conditioner in it. I was sitting in the mirror trying to figure out exactly how I wanted to do my hair. So in my head, I had it that I was going to do a flip over method, but instead of braiding my hair down, I wanted to go in with my Cream of Nature curl activator and apply that onto my natural hair. And I was going to section my hair off like y'all see in the video. And then in between me sectioning my hair off, I was going to add the clip-in. In my head, that sounded good. But the reality of it, well, I ain't going to tell y'all. I'm just going to show y'all. But first, let's talk about these clip-ins, baby. I love the fact that the clip-ins, like look at the, it's not even a whip. I don't even know what to call that the clip-ins is on, but they're so seamless. And that material, child, don't let me lie to y'all, I don't even know what type of material that is, but it's like, it doesn't hurt. Like I've had some clip-ins where they hurt, like you gotta push down hard to clip it on your head. Baby, no, this literally just clips right onto your hair real easy. Like, but anywho, back to my story, child. And so this was the plan. I just wanted to put the clip-ins in just like that. Now, I'm not saying that you can't do this. You very well can. But because I had just washed my hair, my natural hair is wet. So the clip-ins was literally sliding out my hair. So I guess the next time I try this, I need to make sure I do it on dry hair as opposed to wet hair, so that the clip-ins will stay. And also I need to make sure I'm parting my hair correctly, because baby, look at that little clip. It didn't have nothing to clip on to. But this is before I realized that the clip-in was falling out my head. So let's just go on and skip to what I really did to my hair. All right, y'all, so this is my hair. I went ahead and put curl activator over my entire head, because now I realize I'm gonna have to do something different. So I still want to do the flip over method, so I decided to just part my hair in the front, and I'm sectioning off the hair that I'm gonna leave out, because whenever you do the flip over method, I feel like in order to make it look as natural as possible, you should leave your real hair out. Now let me just say this, I am braiding the back of my hair and I am doing it wet. Now normally I wouldn't braid my hair wet. I would dry it and then braid it, because I don't know if you can grow mold in your head, but I just feel like I just wouldn't. That's just something that I wouldn't do. But for the sake of this video, I went ahead and did it, because you know my original plan did not work. So here I'm just putting some braids in. I'm making sure I tuck each braid into the next braid. Does that make sense? So I take the tail end of the previous braid and add it to the current braid. And then this is what my braids look like when I'm done. I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know much about hair. I'm just showing y'all what it is that I do, in case there's somebody else out there, you know, that wanna do what your girl do. Y'all, now it's time to install the clip-ins. So I knew I wanted to do a flip over method, but I wasn't sure exactly how to lay the clip in. So if you are a hairstylist and you see that I'm just laying these clip ins on any kind of way, that's because I am. I truly do not know how to lay the clip ins, but I don't think you need to know. I mean, maybe you do, but I don't really think you need to, because the main thing you need to know, y'all, is to hide the clip-ins. And because the clip-ins is clipped onto that little material, I don't know what that is, plastic, I don't know, but because it's clipped onto that, it's so easy to hide it. So I literally was just placing these clips anywhere, because again, I'm doing a flip over method, so my hair in the front should cover the clip-ins. So this is what my hair looks like after I place the clip-ins in. So it's very beginner friendly. Like, you don't have to know about hair to just clip these things in. I love that about this. So I want to keep the styling process real simple. I went ahead and sprayed water on my hair just to kind of wet it a little bit. Then I went in with the curl activator and applied it over every strand of the clip-in. And then this is pretty much me playing with my hair, looking at it, trying to see how I'm going to do the flip over method. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I really wish I had a diffuser. That's something that I need to look into, but if I had a diffuser, I would have diffused my hair, but unfortunately I don't have one, so I went ahead and used my blow dryer and to blow dry the hair. Now let's talk a little bit about this hair. I love the 22 inch, but I wish I would have got something like around 14 inches, something to mimic my real hair, because I think this hair would be bomb if it was short. Now, I am very beginner when it comes to hair, so I didn't feel comfortable enough grabbing some scissors and trying to cut on this hair, because baby, it would look jacked up. Do you hear me? We ain't there yet. So I went ahead and kept it long. It's beautiful long, but I just, wanted to let y'all know, I think if the hair was short, baby, ooh, I think it'll be too cute. Okay, once I finished blow drying my hair, I went in with my extreme gel, and I used that for my edges. Now, y'all, I tried to be a little fancy with my little edges, but I really don't know how to do edges, baby. I just do swoop-de-doop and pray for the best. So, yeah, that's what y'all see me doing. But I do want to come on here again and thank Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video. I've kind of been doing a little research on their brand, and I love their brand. They actually have a slogan, y'all. Their slogan is to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. I know that's right. I know that is right. And their brand is to signify women's beauty, power, and self-love through hair. Baby, don't play with them, because our hair is everything. Now, you don't have to have hair to be beautiful, but I'm just saying, like, baby, being black is beautiful, okay? And you don't have to be black to purchase hair from them. it's just their slogan, and I wanted to bring light to that. Like, there's not too many hair companies out here that, you know, represent Black women. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of my hair. I decided to do a flip over method, so let me do a 360. So I don't have a part. I just kind of pretty much swooped everything to the left. It was really simple. Y'all did see in the video where I kind of braided my hair down. At first, I wasn't trying to braid my hair down. I kind of wanted to wear my real hair out and apply the clips with my hair out, but I just went ahead and decided to just braid my hair down. It made it a lot easier, and so that's just something for y'all to keep in mind. It's probably easier just to braid your hair versus wearing your real hair and just clipping them in between. I'm not saying you can't do that. You can, but sis, it was a little hard for me, so I went ahead and braided my hair down. But I hope y'all like this. It's really cute. First of all, the hair is fluffy and bouncy. Fluffy and bouncy. To me, it mimics my curl pattern. It's a little bit tighter than my natural hair because I do have loose curls. So I don't expect the hair to be right on point with mine, but it blends pretty good. I mean, if I would have never said that, y'all probably wouldn't have been able to tell. But baby, who's fit to go out tonight is me. Mwah. So I want to say thank you again to Queen Curls for sponsoring today's video. I'm really enjoying this hair. All the details for this hair will be listed in the description box below. And if I have a discount code, that will also be listed below in the description box. So tell me, what are y'all thoughts about this hair? Are y'all liking it? I can't wait to actually put a flat iron to it and actually flat iron it to see what it look like. What? That? Baby, if I can flat iron this hair, oh, that would be everything. It's human hair, so why would I not be able to flat iron it? Child, I'm crazy. Also, I can't wait to do a ponytail with it. A ponytail, because clip-ins are so versatile. You can do whatever you want with clip-ins. So I can't wait to play with these some more. But in today's video, I just want to do the flip over method. So if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because sis, what are you waiting for? What you waiting for, sis? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also call your mama, so she could call her sister and her cousins and everybody else, and tell them to subscribe as well. We would love to have them here on my channel. Come join the Shady Babe family. Anywho guys, until next time,